Okay. You got it, right? So you understood, right? In short, what is all about marketing and concept of that. To some extent, she's right. Okay. Generally, I told you that marketers, the main responsibility is to inject what they want to promote into the customer's mind. Fine. Okay. So understood. So in short, I will quickly go through this slide. It's nothing, everything I have explained. It's a physical entity, because when you are talking about the goods, when you're talking about the services, it's a service as an intangible product. And marketing involves creating an atmosphere where an extinct text market. That is the reason, even when you want to buy vegetables also, we go to market. So there should be an atmosphere. Definitely going to market, you will not talk about your work. You will talk about only how you can negotiate and get a better deal from that place. Okay. Then it's an idea. It includes, it may be anything, philosophies, the concepts, the architect sales, and so on and so forth. It may be needs and wants we are talking about, and definitely when it is satisfying our needs and wants, which is called the utility. Now there are 4 utilities I will explain. It is there. Let me see. Yes. So there are 4 utilities are there. Utilities means satisfying our need and want, right? So if you consider that utility, there are 4 types of utilities are there: form utility, time utility, place utility, and possession utility. Form utility means when you are converting or making a conversion from raw material to a established utility, form utility. You are changing the form. Okay, that is the reason it is called form utility. Second one is time utility. It involves providing products at the time required by the customer. I am hungry now. Why this Zomato is 30 minutes delivery, 10 minutes delivery, zoop, zap, and all? Why I am hungry now. If you deliver that after 2 days, who will eat that? Nobody will eat. If you deliver that after 2 hours, who will eat that? That is the reason this concept, time utility. Okay. When I want to use that product or service, I want that point of time as per my requirement. That is time utility. What is the place utility? Wherever I want, I will use that. My choice of place. Very simple. My choice of place. Whatever I want, I will need it. Fine. I want to order a TV. But if I'm staying here in Bangalore, I will need the TV in Bangalore. You cannot say, no, sir, your Aadhaar card is from Calcutta, or your permanent address is in Calcutta, so we'll deliver in Calcutta. Hey Bhagavan. Then I do not need that. So place utility. That means it involves the providing products at a place required by the customer where I need. Right. And the final is the position utility. It relates to the performing a customer to use the product according to his wishes. It means, let's say I have bought a TV. I want to see TV channels, but I'm not able to, as per my wish, I am not able to play that. Then what is the point of that? Correct. So I want to use my product and services, whatever I have bought it, as per my wishes. I have ordered this shirt, but if the seller says, no, I am selling you shirt today, but you can only use after 2 years. Hey Bhagavan. It's not as per my position wish. Na? It is not as per my wish, customer's wish. So then in that case, it will not be the position utility. But if it is, then it will be a position utility. Is it clear? Left hand side, you can see 4 examples, and now you need to tell one by one which belongs to which type of utility. First one, Sunfeast launched Sunfeast pasta treat at all major retail stores in South India. This belongs to which type of utility? Place. Okay. Viewers can watch cable TV channels at their convenience. Lay's India Limited offers potato chips to customer. SRAindia.com offers gifts that are delivered accordingly to the wishes of the customers.
Time utility.
No.
Position.
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 It is the position. Okay. Is it okay? And the second one is basically time utility. TV channels at their convenience, whatever they want. Okay, as per the product choice and all. Is it okay? Means I want to use my product as per my wish. Fine. You understood? Simple on that. I'll be talking about some marketing organizational functions and all. Okay. And concept of this. You please, you understand this, you'll be happy to know what is marketing and organizational functions. I told you marketing is one societal process and the organizational function. Societal process you have understood through the exchange and all. Now, little bit you try to understand what is the organizational function, which I have explained you already, but more on technical manner or giving some examples, videos and all. When I'm talking about the organizational functions, it is basically the creating. Then I'm communicating to the customer, the target segment, and I'm delivering to you. Unless until it is delivered, I'm not getting revenue encashed, correct? So for any business, starting to end is important. And through that, when companies are making the value or offering the value to the companies. Now, when I'm talking about the delivery, it involves distribution and logistics. All those concepts. Is it understood? So you have understood delivering, you have understood communicating, you have understood value. Now let's talk about little bit creating. 50 years back, 60 years back, people only they used to think about the product. There was no concept of service that point of time. 1982, that service concept came. 1976, Patni Computer System, PCS, only introduced that consultancy, service consultancy. 1982, the then Prime Minister, Rajiv Gandhi, declared service as an industry, IT as an industry, ITES as an industry. And since then, it is improving. So prior to that, basically, the concept was creating something. Now here, creating means we can create the softwares also. So now today's era, creating means product and service both. Now, when I'm talking about product long back, 50 years back, you think that 50 years back, your grandfather had to buy one Maruti car. 50 years back, it was not there. 1982, it came. That point of time, 40 years back, let's say 40, 45. They had to buy a Maruti car. Do you think they had the choice to go and say, I need white car, I need black car, I need red car? It was not there. Bhai, I have made the product. You need to buy it. Marketing version 1.0. I will explain you after this. Okay, Henry Ford, 1900. He first introduced first car and it was the black car. And he was so confident, or I will say overconfident and all. They used to do the marketing, that point of era, saying that you are happy to choose any colors unless until it is a black color of the car. So Ghuma Fira ke, you will have to buy the black color only, something like that. I will explain you later on. Don't worry on that. So that was the concept and thought process, product proposition, all of those things long back. But today it is not like that. Today, when you are going to buy a car, you can say, I do not need blue car, I need a gray car. I do not need black car, I need white car. And manufacturer will paint it accordingly and give it to you. Similarly, now start understanding from customer's perspective. It means what? You are solving, you means who are the marketing manager out there in your company. What you are doing, you are trying to understand customer's problem, pain point, and you are trying to solve that, isn't it? I have approached to you, you are the Mahindra and Mahindra head of Chief Marketing Officer. I have told you I do not want your black car, I want the white car. That means my problem. That is my problem proposition, pain point. I do not want to use. And you are solving that problem, painting the new car into black or white, you give it to me as per my choice. Similarly, when think that you are working in a software company, you know that project manager, they deal with directly to the customers to understand their requirement and all. And then they interpret with the internal team who creates the software and all. Right? That means what? Project manager is trying to understand the customer's problem. Accordingly, they want to solve what they want for that particular software, customer software, correct? So first point is very much evident and understood that solving customer's problem, that in today's era, it is required. Second thing is involve customers in the creation stage. Now let's take an example. When you are developing a software, you are asking customer, sir, you want in Java, you want to ASP.NET, you want in Python, you want to PHP or something like that. You are involving your customer at the initial stage. In a layman word, you are asking customer, sir, you want mobile friendly or only desktop friendly or both, and so on and so forth. Accordingly, we'll start coding. So what you are doing, you are involving customers in the creation stage. Not only that, you are asking their experience also. You are asking their experience also. Okay, sir, do one thing. Give me the data. What you want to see that in the software. You are asking them all of those things. I'll give a BMW example just after this. You will understand this. So when you are involving customers' data, customer on the creation stage, then it comes to the involvement of the customer in that stage. The second important point in that, creating, when you are talking about the creation. And nowadays, the new concept is co-creation. Co-creation. Co-creation means, fine, sir, I understood your requirement. I am creating this product. You use it. Tell me what is your feedback. Then again, I will change it. Or you come one day, I will come to you. Tell me what are the changes you require in the software. I'll make it. Co-creation. What do you think 50 years back when you used to go to buy a car or something? Mainly, I'm talking about car because it's very easy to understand, and many gadgets were not there 40 years back, 50 years back. Or let's say you wanted to buy a watch or something and all. It was completely not custom made. It was completely made and then it is sold. There was no concept of solving customers' problem, no concept of involving customers in the creation age, no concept of the co-creation. I can understand HMT watch. Anyone you can remember HMT watch?
Yes, sir.
So I can
Yes.
remember HMT watch. It used to be the one of the watches in country wherein grandfather used to give to my father used to give to me, isn't it? One HMT,
Yes.
one after one generation. That kind of value is to hold. Correct? Man, HMT watching because a 10 standard and watch is mandatory when you are appearing for 10th exam. That is the concept. First, big exam, board exam, you'll have to watch. You will have to have a watch. So generally what used to happen, my father, when I attended 10th standard, my grandfather gave that watch to him. When I attended 10th standard, he gave his watch to me. Like that only, generation. One product, multiple and all. Nobody. Now, how come I can say, being a second generation person, a third generation person, Papa, this is the old one. I don't want, I want the electronic one. Give me 20 rupees, I can buy. But we didn't do that, right? You understood the concept of this creating. Now come back to the modern age right now when we are talking the BMW and all. See this video and you will understand how through the artificial intelligence, they are trying to make the driverless car and how they are involving customers' data. Okay, how they are involving customers' data for their research and development, and they are creating the driverless car for the customers with the help of AI technologies.
Nothing to be afraid of, because we're working on safer cars
for a safer tomorrow with large-scale data-driven development at the BMW Autonomous Driving Campus.
Is it okay to understand? Now, how this AI works in, let me give you two minutes, little brief about those who are not from IT background, or in short, what is AI or machine learning? Machine learning is nothing but what you are doing, that machine is doing. That is machine learning. In short, at that point of time, a very easy example. We used to use the Nokia phone, and the Nokia phone, that voice command used to come. Okay, like call mom. So automatically that mom will be called. That point of time, first voice recognition technique. Machine learning is divided into three parts. Kahin bhi jao in the world, those who knows this, you will understand. One is text recognition. Text recognition means search engines. Google, text recognitions. There are some delimiters wiped off, some keywords searching and giving you the output, okay, from the large data. We call it nowadays big data. It's nothing but when your data size is very, very, very big, and we are fetching some information from that. New name is data mining and all of those things. 20 years back, this concept was not there. Data mining, big data. Those words came later on. But the concept was same. Huge data. Internet is full of information. We are fetching some relevant information from internet. That was the main concept of text recognition technique. Okay. Another is called a speech recognition technique. So therein your intensity of the speech, it is processed and all, and one standard speech is fit into all your phones and all, and it will be adjusted, and through your voice, they will interact to the concerned person or the device accordingly. And that is the reason nowadays it is not required, to be honest. That point of time, if anybody used this service in Nokia phone, what we had to do 5-6 times, we had to say some words, few words, like Sumit, go, mom, some 5-6 words we had to utter like this, so that phone captures that voice, modularize that, standardize that voice and pitch, and then they fit it, okay, automatically. And then you call mom, it will go. Understood? That used to be the voice recognition technique. Okay, now it is in a bigger manner, you can see. Another third concept is image recognition technique. Now today you go to Google and copy one image, let's say BMW logo, copy paste there, logo search, you will get similar logos of that. Image processing. You drag down my photo, put it in Google search, it will give the similar photos of that, of mine. Okay. When you are opening one laptop or phone through your face recognition technique, that is nothing but the image recognition technique. When you are opening your laptop or phone by your thumb impression, image recognition technique. So in short, very simple, what is machine learning and artificial intelligence, which can be done by machine, okay, which is generally done by human being. That is machine learning and AI. Okay, and there are three different methods. One is text recognition, image recognition technique, and a voice recognition technique. There is no other thing in short in this world as of now in AI. These are three simple things are there. Now coming back to this, I think now you have understood. So when I have shown you this video, have you observed the second part of the video? They are showing some data and all, or they're doing something in computer. You saw that, right? All of you. If I ask you that this belongs to which kind of AI technique, whatever I have explained you three, what will be your answer? Now, let me tell you the concept behind the driverless car. Let me tell you 1 more minute or 2 minutes behind the concept of self-driving car. You will be surprised. And many researches have happened in IITs on this, and I am ISIs and all. We have done it. I will tell you something, you will be surprised. Oh my God. ये सब भी process होता है backend में. Give me 2 minutes on this so that you can understand. I'm just trying to open your concept in IT industries also. There is no guarantee that tomorrow you'll not get into the IT industries and all as a chief marketing officer or something like that. So if you do not understand these simple things in a simple manner, or maybe so-called hyped bigger things in a simple manner, you can't answer. Because it is not only the marketing concept, but also to understand the product and service. Without that, you cannot become a very good and best marketing person. Okay. The concept behind this driving car is nothing but, see, self-driving means nobody is there, only a computer is there. In terms of computer, it is in software, and in terms of computer eyes, your eyes, the camera is there, correct? No doubt in that. That means that car is capturing image which is in front of it, moving image in short, and immediately it is processing inside and taking some decisions. Am I right? Any doubt in this? So when I'm talking about the artificial intelligence, or rather machine intelligence, that means I am giving my human intelligence to machine. Means I am equipping, empowering machine to take the decision, analyze, take the decision on my behalf, means humans behalf. That is machine learning, right? So initially it will fail. After that, as it is a machine and product and the program, it will be much more efficient. So what generally these driving cars they do? Think that main intention is it should not bang somebody. That is the main intention, correct? Right? It will not make an accident, correct? Now, the moment you, if I tell you, okay, fine, I will offer you on BMW driverless car, what first will come to you in your mind? Safety. भाई धक्का तो नहीं मार देगा ना, एक्सीडेंट तो नहीं कर देगा ना, मैं तो जाऊंगा जाऊंगा ऊपर से जिसको मारा वो भी मेरे ऊपर केस कर देगा. Isn't it? That is the main motive. After that pleasure, I will sit with my wife, girlfriend, boyfriend. I will talk to them. I do not want to drive. Relax. Those are the secondaries, if I'm not wrong. So now focus on the primary requirement, which is the safety, and that car will not bang to the any obstacle. So how it happens? Let's say there is a wall. So if it is, let's say 6 inches, I will not say wall, that is bumper, hump. So in generic term, I'm telling you, if it is 6 inches wall, then it is considered to be a hump. So car will not stop. Car will reduce its speed and go. But if it is 4 feet, 3 feet, 2 feet, then car will stop. Am I right? Now, instead of that wall, it may be a human being. It may be anybody, any obstacle. And it analyzes that image, understands, processes it, or immediately takes decision. This is the concept behind any driverless car. Understood? What BMW is trying to do? And now as a marketing professor, I'm sorry, now as a chief marketing officer, you think that you are the chief marketing officer of this BMW. You have created this advertisement, correct? I told you, I don't know whether I told you or not. What is marketing? What is things? Marketing is a bigger umbrella. Under marketing, sales is there, logistic is there, advertisement is there, branding is there. All of those things are there. Understood? So it's an umbrella and all spikes are this whatever I have told you. Now consider you are a chief marketing officer, you are responsible for branding and marketing. So somebody has created this advertisement. That is the reason it is in market. That means you are a marketing manager or brand manager, whatever head. Why did you focus on this? Why did you focus on this advertisement now as a marketing? And why you are showing that it is the future? Don't worry. Nothing to afraid. BMW is working on their R&D to give you safety. Why? To inject into customers' mind, bhai, don't worry about the safety, we are taking care of that. You go ahead and buy BMW. Understood what I'm saying? So the message, what you want to pass as a marketing head, marketing director to the employee, internal or external customers, through advertising, you are injecting, positioning. The moment whenever I'm using injecting what, you think that you are positioning into customers' mind through this kind of advertising. Clear? Understood? Now, I am through with this small example and all. Just line food of thought for you people, which generally I encountered this kind of questions and during the programming and all. Okay, fine. Think that Your car is moving. Your BMW automatic driverless car is driving you. In front of it, there is a wall, and right hand side, let's say left hand side, there is a wall on the road, just a hypothetical example. And right hand side, there is a human being. Okay. Your car is coming. BMW cannot break the stop for certain reason. Think that it is malfunction or whatever. Driverless car has taken those pictures, analyzed, and then understood car cannot be stopped very fast because of the first speed or something like that. And it will bang either wall or a human being. Which one car will choose? Which option? It will hit wall or it will hit a human being. Understand, the decision which a human brain is going to take, that moment of time, a car is taking that. Human intelligence, machine learning. Now again, surprised. Okay, I have encountered personally in IIT exam, ISA exam. Think that wall is not there. There is one male person and one female person standing on the road. The car can go left and right, but it will hit someone. Whom it will hit? A boy, male, or a woman? Think that now, third question. Think that woman is pregnant. So it will bang that pregnant woman or that male part who is standing there. Forget about normal. Another example. One 40 years old people are standing in front of the running car. And another one, let's say 20 years old young person, or maybe 15 years of old boy. Car will hit whom? The 15 years old boy or the 40 years old? If it is hitting 15 years of old boy, why? Then it may be the only one child for that family. Then that family will be childless. If it is hitting 40 years old person, assume that everybody 40 years of age, they are earning money for the family and all. If the car is hitting that 40 years old guy, then his family will not be able to feed themselves after his death. Whom the car will hit? You understood what kind of human sense, human logic it is implemented into the machine so that machine can take a call. These are all AI and ML. You understood?